Winter is here, and staying warm and cozy is a top priority. To help you out, I've rounded up 20 must-have items from Amazon that are perfect for the season. These picks are practical, comfy, and great for keeping the chill away. I've listed my best recommendations to make your shopping easier. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Let's get started. TerraFlame Gel Fuel Fireplace. Ventless and portable, this crackling fireplace offers a cozy ambiance without smoke or fumes, perfect for any indoor or outdoor space. Its mid-century modern design adds a stylish focal point to any setting. The clean-burning gel fuel ensures a smoke-free experience, while the 7-inch flame mimics the warm glow of a traditional wood-burning fireplace. Enjoy the charm of a fire without the mess or pollution. ANO Infrared Heater. Easy to install with wall-mounted or freestanding options, this heater combines convenience and sleek design. Smart Wi-Fi technology enables app control for effortless temperature adjustments. Fast-warming infrared heat provides comfort without drying the air or releasing harmful chemicals. Its slim, space-saving design blends seamlessly into any decor, making it ideal for small rooms, nurseries, or offices. Drio Humidifier. Delivering a powerful 500 milliliter per hour mist, this humidifier creates optimal humidity with precision and convenience. Its 6-liter tank ensures long-lasting use, while warm and cool mist options cater to your comfort. 3 customizable modes, real-time humidity monitoring, and app connectivity make it easy to maintain healthy air quality. Whisper quiet operation and sleep mode make it perfect for any room, day or night. Vevor Towel Warmer. Rapid heating in just 1 minute ensures warm towels exactly when you need them. Adjustable heating options allow for customized warmth, while powerful drying functions accommodate towels and damp clothing. The 5-sided heating design ensures even distribution, offering a luxurious touch to your daily routine, ideal for busy lifestyles and cold weather. Flame King Tabletop Fire Pit. Clean burning and smokeless, this compact fire pit adds natural ambiance to any space. CSA approved for safety, it's stylish and perfect for creating cozy atmospheres during gatherings. Compatible with propane and butane, its dual fuel capability ensures flexibility. Perfect for making s'mores or adding a decorative flair to patios, its durable design offers quick setup and minimal maintenance. Govee Mini Humidity Sensor. Monitor temperature and humidity with precision using this compact, portable device. Swiss-made sensors ensure accuracy, and 20-day data storage provides insights into trends. App Control offers easy remote monitoring within 262 feet, while the compact design allows placement anywhere. Ideal for maintaining optimal conditions in homes, offices, or greenhouses. Drio Space Heater. Providing rapid, quiet heating with advanced ceramic technology, this 25-inch heater delivers comfort efficiently. Safety features like tip-over and overheat protection, child locks, and flame-retardant materials ensure secure operation. Precise thermostat controls allow for customized comfort, while its quiet operation makes it ideal for bedrooms, offices, or living spaces. NextMug Self-Heating Mug. Set your drink to the perfect temperature, warm, hot, or piping, and enjoy hours of warmth. Long-lasting battery and spill-resistant lid enhance convenience, while the elegant ceramic finish adds style. Easy-to-use controls eliminate the need for apps or complex setups. Designed in the USA, this mug is a thoughtful gift for any occasion. JPL Bed Vacuum Cleaner. With up to 16 kilopascals suction power and a 500-watt motor, this bed vacuum cleaner ensures a thorough cleaning of your mattress, sofas, and linens. Equipped with quintuple tech, including 253.7nm UVC light, ultrasonic, motor-driven 60° Celsius heat, and a high-speed brush roll, it eliminates dust mites and allergens effectively. The HEPA filtration captures 99.97% of particles down to 0.3 micrometers. Its lightweight design and simple disassembly make cleaning and maintenance easy and safe, ensuring a healthier home environment. Yahitech Coffee Table. Featuring a lift-top design, this coffee table allows you to easily elevate the tabletop to a comfortable height for work or dining. The heavy-duty gas mechanism ensures smooth operation. Perfect for small spaces, this multifunctional table doubles as a workspace or temporary dining surface. The foam protective pads offer added safety by preventing damage to the tabletop during use. With a scratch and water-resistant veneered surface, it's easy to maintain, making it an ideal addition to any home or apartment. Google Nest Learning Thermostat. Experience effortless energy management with the most advanced thermostat yet. It supports various 24-volt systems, eliminating the need for a C-wire in most installations. Paired with a Nest temperature sensor, it ensures precise temperature control in every room. Save an average of 12% on heating and 15% on cooling bills while maintaining optimal comfort. Control settings seamlessly via the Google Home app, making it an intelligent and efficient addition to your home. Conair Handheld Garment Steamer. Smooth wrinkles effortlessly with this turbo handheld steamer. Combining the power of steam and the precision of an iron, it heats up in just 40 seconds, offering up to 15 minutes of continuous steam. A 3-in-1 attachment enhances performance, featuring a silicone band for taut fabric, a spacer for delicate materials, and a bristle brush for heavy fabrics. Compact and versatile, it's ideal for freshening clothing and upholstery on the go. Cuisinart Electric Kettle. Enjoy precision brewing with a 1.7-liter electric kettle featuring 1,500 watts for rapid heating. 6 preset temperature settings cater to delicate teas, coffee, and instant foods. Intuitive one-touch controls with LED indicators and a 30-minute keep warm option add convenience. A 2-minute memory function retains settings when lifted, ensuring consistent brewing. Combining functionality and style, it's a must-have for tea and coffee enthusiasts. Anchor Charging Station. Power your devices effortlessly with a robust charging solution designed for convenience. Equipped with an 8-point safety system, it protects against overvoltage and short circuits, ensuring reliable performance. Sleek and compact, it eliminates the hassle of finding power sources, offering a worry-free charging experience. Perfect for home, office, or travel, it keeps all your devices charged and ready to go. Govee Outdoor Net Lights. Transform outdoor spaces with vibrant, customizable lighting. Featuring 64 preset scenes and 16 million colors, it offers unparalleled creativity. The AI Light Show generates effects via chat or image uploads for personalized displays. With IP65 waterproofing and stretch-resistant cables, it's durable and weatherproof, ideal for year-round use. Control individual LED beads independently for dynamic, multicolor designs, creating stunning garden decor or festive displays. Olight Sphere Smart Nightlight. Illuminate spaces with versatile lighting options. Choose from 7 switch-based modes or 20 app-controlled settings, including vibrant, dynamic colors. With a transparent shell, it delivers 360-degree lighting at up to 75 lumens. The app enables brightness adjustment, countdowns, music syncing, and interactive games. Compact and stylish, it's perfect for creating ambiance or adding a playful touch to any room. Bissell Carpet Sweeper. Quickly tackle messes with a lightweight and compact carpet sweeper. Dual rotating brush rolls effortlessly pick up debris on carpets, rugs, and hard floors. Ideal for daily cleanups, it's quiet and easy to store. Supporting multi-surface cleaning, it's effective for crumbs, dirt, and pet hair. Plus, every purchase helps save pets, supporting the mission of the Bissell Pet Foundation. Aqara Water Leak Sensor. Protect your home from water damage with a sensitive, wireless leak sensor. Detects water at levels as low as 0.5 millimeters, sending alerts via the Aqara hub and activating connected devices for immediate response. Compact and easy to install, it fits anywhere prone to leaks. Integrated with smart home systems, it offers peace of mind and efficient automation to safeguard your property. Simple Human Shower Caddy. Organize your shower essentials with a secure adjustable caddy. Reinforced with an aluminum pole and high-compression spring, it fits snugly between floor and ceiling. Shelves slide to accommodate tall bottles, while cutouts allow upside-down storage for quick dispensing. Convenient hooks hold razors, loofahs, and more, making it a functional and stylish solution for your bathroom. Amazon Air Quality Monitor. Monitor indoor air quality with precision. Tracks 5 key factors, PM 2.5, VOCs, CO, humidity, and temperature, and provides easy-to-understand scores via the Alexa app. Notifications and LED indicators ensure timely alerts for poor air quality. Integrated routines can automate air purifiers, fans, or dehumidifiers, creating a healthier environment while keeping you informed in real time. As the chilly season settles in, these 20 Amazon winter must-haves are your ultimate companions for staying warm, cozy, and ready to embrace the cold in comfort. From soft blankets to heated gadgets, we've got you covered for every frosty moment ahead. Want to snag these items for yourself? Check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If this video brought a little warmth to your day, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and family who could use a cozy upgrade, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Stay tuned for more tips, reviews, and must-have finds to make every season your best one yet.